Hi everyone, Sid here, back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn about how to create base file, and so I'm using right now Django template language is a very useful in Django. So I'm showing you how it's working. So actually I have given base .html files. I created base .html file, which I have given this color is red background color, and within a background color I'm just using new file with the name of about. So I'm passing from the data from view to SQL file, and also I'm doing some activities you can check from here. So I'm explaining you, and then I will give you real-time examples how I am doing here. Okay, so let's start. So render I just explained already in last video. If any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve a query. So now what I'm doing here, I'm just rendering from the package of the shortcuts, Django package. So now about page view, if anyone hitting on about within from URLs like here, about anyone hitting, so then I'm calling about page view, which is a about page. What is about page? Basically we have created here about page view, and any request coming to, then we are rendering from about.html. Then I have given name equal to real programmer. So where is the real programmer? We printing real programmer here. First, how to do this, I'm going to delete. Again I'm explaining you how you can do from your side. So suppose I'm creating, explaining you again. So you need to put here any kind of name. I am given name equal to, you can put and the single comma real programmer. Okay, I'm going to print here about. What you need to do here, you need just simple write here like double curly bracket for the printing purpose we are all using in Django. So let's check it's working or not. Yes, it's working. So if you want particular syntax, you can put here also. And we have created just a simple an example, like if you want a h1 tag, you can just put here, and after that you will get result. That's it, it's working fine. So what I need to do here, I want Django template language, how to use Django template, I will explaining everything. So first, if you are not if you using this editor, you need to install Jinja package from here. Just click on here, I have already installed, so just click on here, and after that you need to search. I am going to search Jinja. Okay, so I have already installed in my Mac machine, so you can install from here. Okay, just click on install here, and then automatically will install, so you don't take care about it. Why it is important, I will explain you also. Okay, suppose now it's working fine. So what are the steps we need to follow? First is a very simple process. I explained you already how to from pass from view to STL format is working fine. Now we need to do something here. We need to create a one more file with the name of the base. Where is base? I'm going to create. I have created here already base file. So how you can check in for the, we need to here block content and block content, and after that we need to also here do here. So I'm going to delete these files. I'm going to delete these files. I deleted. Now what we need to do here, I'm going to again create new file with the name of base.html. base.html. Now you can check here. Now what we need to do, I'm going to create new with the file with the form html. Sorry, I'm going to create here html. Sorry, html. This is html. Now what I am going to here, real programmer, title with the name of the real programmer, and I am here again h1 using h1 tag here. Within h1 tag I'm going to leave it, we don't need to do here. I'm going to use here within a body is style is equal to background hyphen, sorry, background hyphen. You can put anything whatever you want. Okay, background, sorry I'm writing anything wrong. Background color, going to use any other, you can use this one. Okay, so this is done from my side. Now what we need to do here, we need to provide as a name of the content block content, we need to write something here. So I'm using curly bracket and percent start and end, and within middle we need to write block space content. content. Okay, so we have created content. Now here we need to end block, and block, remove this content. That's it, this is done. Now what we need to do here, and we need to go with inside of the HTML folder. I'm inside of the HTML folder, and what we need to do is, sorry, inside of the base.html. okay, we have created, so we want print here. Anywhere you want you can do here. I'm going to inside of the base file. So, okay, so what we need to do here, I'm going to here and I'm typing here percentage first and end in the, we need to write in the middle, and I'm going to write here extends space base.html inside of the curly bracket. Inside of the curly bracket I have written here. Okay, so now inside the curly bracket we need to also and sorry, block. Now what we need to block, we have written already block content. Okay, block content, this will remove. Okay, after that we need to go inside of the sorry, we need to run, we need to print this is the block content. Okay, so I'm going to use percentage, and within a percentage I am going to write and block. So let's check is working or not. I'm going to inside of the here. Wow, that's amazing, it's working fine. So real programmer, with the name of the real programmer, I'm going to here write about page. Look, it's working or not. Yes, perfect, this is perfect, fine. So hope so this is clear for you, and if you have any doubt you can check from my blog page. I have created one blog. Where is my blog? You can check here from the Django. Even you can check from here, just click on Django. Okay, search on the Django, and even I will give you descriptions area. And if you want more Django videos, any kind of video you need, like PHP, Django, Laravel, Cake PHP, and MongoDB, and any kind of video you need, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to make more videos so you can get more knowledge. So let's see here, I have given here everything, so you can check from here Django tutorials. Okay, I will give you descriptions area link also. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.